welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Sheynice, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Jamaican ackee and saltfish. You might be wondering, what is ackee and saltfish? First of all, it's the national dish of Jamaica, and it consists of a fruit called ackee, and of course saltfish, which is also called cod, some Scotch bonnet peppers, which I pretty much use in all of my videos, some thyme, banana, and some yellow yam. Lastly, some dumpling, which I'm going to be showing you guys how to make as well today. If you don't have a relative or somebody coming from Jamaica and you want to make this dish, you can also buy ackee in the can. You're best to get it fresh from Jamaica, but if that's not an option for you, then you can just get it in a can at your local grocery store. As you can see, I've washed my ackee. Look for the black seeds as shown here. You're gonna want to take those out because those are poisonous. Okay, now second part of this is of course the preparation of the saltfish. I'm just taking a knife and I'm peeling back the skin as I've done for the other pieces. And after I do that, I'm gonna put them in some water and just wash off some of the excess salt, and then I'm gonna put them in a smaller Dutch pot of boiling water just to boil out more of the salt. If you boil the saltfish too much, you can always add more salt later on in the dish, but it's called saltfish for a reason, so we're gonna try to boil out as much of it as possible. I'm gonna start kneading the flour for the dumplings. So first I'm gonna start off with 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I've put 1 cup of lukewarm water in a measuring cup, and I added in about half a teaspoon of sea salt, and I'm going to give this a stir. The only reason why I'm doing this is because I'm using sea salt, which is a healthier alternative to table salt, and sea salt has a very coarse texture, so I need some water to dilute it. 2 quarter cups of cornmeal. I'm going to slowly start to add in my water mixture. I'm going to take a little bit of this and just sprinkle it into the dough. So the saltfish has been in this hot water for a while, and as you can see, what I'm doing right now is dumping out the first batch of water, and now I'm just going to boil it for a second round. I have 4 green bananas that you can buy at a West Indian supermarket, and then I have a yellow yam. So I've just sliced the outside, as you can see, and the inside of the bananas, and I'm actually going to throw all of this into the boiling pot right now. The lemon water is going to prevent oxidation, that way the vegetables won't turn dark. We are going to actually form the dumplings. I first take my little portion ball and I'm going to try to form it into a nicer ball. So you have something that looks like this, and then once you have your ball, you're going to take your palm like this, just wedge it in the middle. I can see that it's a little bit sticky, so I'm just going to put a little bit of dry flour on it as well. So now that this first one is finished, I'm just going to drop this into the pot. We have freshly chopped Jamaican thyme, we have the skellion, the piece of the Scotch bonnet. I cut it in half and smelled it, and it was really hot, so I'm only actually going to use that little piece, the 1 tomato, and then the whole yellow onion. But I'm just taking the cool down saltfish and I'm just breaking them up into smaller pieces. I've taken all of the cut up vegetables and the seasoning and the pepper, and I'm putting it in the hot oil, and I'm going to let that cook and sear down for about 5 minutes, turning it, making sure that it's not burning. I'm taking out the banana out of the pot because these are finished cooking. If they cook anymore, they're gonna be mushy and black. I'm gonna add in the ackee. And on top of the ackee, I'm putting in a generous sprinkle of black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Very gently, I'm just gonna turn this all together. Now we're gonna cover our pot and just let that cook on low heat. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Sheynice did well, man. Yeah, pepper is nice too.
And just like back home.
Oh, just like back home, man. Everything nice. All the ackee cooked just perfect. And the salt in the ackee saltfish is good too.
2 thumbs up, right?
Well, I mean, I'll give you 10 thumbs up.
Nice. As always, please leave your questions down below. I love answering them. I love hearing your feedback. Be sure to check out the other videos that I've posted, such as the rice and peas or the oxtail or the jerk chicken. I recently posted a video about how to make an Indian Jamaican style curry chicken, so definitely check that out as well. Also, if you like this video and you like watching, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on my next video. Bye. Okay guys, so what did I say about making noise? I can hear you breathing. Just shh, please.